Now here is the chance to get 8 bands or higher in General IELTS and settle in your dream country. This is the complete IELTS preparation course for all those aspirants who want to settle in their dream countries. In this course, you are going to learn about all the 4 modules in 200 video lectures: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Students, the beauty of this course is that you can study in your own comfortable language. This course is available to you in English alone and English plus Hindi. You have ample number of study material for the 4 modules. In speaking, all the cue cards from Jan 2019 till April 2019 with discussion questions and their answers are available to you in this course. Commonly used lines, words, idioms, phrases. What are the do's and don'ts while you are speaking? If I talk about the writing module, there are 16 practice letters with answers explained, 20 practice essay with answers, commonly used idioms, lines, these are explained, 15 practice tests for reading with strategies totally explained to you. Along with this, 20 practice tests with transcript and answers for the listening module. You can also sit at your home after going through all the 4 modules. You can practice the mock test of the 3 modules that are given to you. In this course, there will be a step-by-step learning in 200 audio-video lectures in which we'll cover all the 3 parts of the speaking module: introduction, cue card, and the discussion questions. In writing, how to write a letter properly and how to frame your answer writing an essay, which is writing part number 2. Most common error committed by students is misinterpretation of a word and thus miss their listening answers, which are not repeated. So how to be attentive, how to reach the answer correctly, what are the strategies to be followed. Along with this, there is a complete explanation of question to question for all the 15 practice tests of reading, in which you are taught with what are the various types of questions, how to attempt the particular category of questions, and how to reach the answer correctly by following the procedure of skimming and scanning. So students, what are you waiting for? There is ample study material to practice as well as to learn from this course. You do have a choice that whatever module seems interesting to you, you can start with that. So all the very best for your IELTS exam as well as the journey of IELTS preparation that we are going to start right after this.